Now before start the exercise, they will find a first proof that you have find and describe the formula of trapezium, that the proof that the area of the trapezium is 1 upon 2 a plus b into h. A and b is a, where a and b are the length of the two parallel side and h is the distance between parallel side. It is not a question of your book, but it is a describe the formula of area of trapezium. Okay, so now must be first will be draw a trapezium is A, B, C and D. Okay, and is asked that the length of is A and second length is given that B, and distance between two parallel line is H. To find the area of the trapezium ABCD is a 1 upon 2 base in A plus B into H. Okay, now this is the H. Same to draw a parallel to here H. Okay, and is the part of X and Y. So this is the part of only it is X. Okay, and second part is Y. Here you not XY, you write the C and D. So this is the part of only here too. The length of ABCD, here we will write EF, means A, the length of is AEC, and this is the length of F is a D, and length of EF is a total length is A minus C minus D, means in sum of this length, suppose will be example is a total length is a 10 and 2 and 2 3, that means this is the part of 10 minus 2 plus 3 is a 5. Okay, so this is the length of here will be write A minus C plus D. Okay, and they divide into three parts, one part, two part and three part. Okay, now area of trapezium, ABCD is equal to area of first part plus area of second part plus area of second part plus area of third part. Okay, the sum of three parts will equal to area of ABCD total area. Okay, now area of first part is a area of triangle AED plus second is a EFCD is a rectangle A. Yes, now area of rectangle EFCD, and third is a plus area of third part again will be area of triangle, which is the triangle FBC. Okay, now write the formula is 1 upon 2 base into height plus length into breadth is the area of rectangle, and 1 upon 2 base into height. Okay, now solve. 1 upon 2 base is a C and height is a H. Okay, plus here length is A minus C plus D into in the bracket B is a H. Okay, and plus 1 upon 2 base is a d into h. Okay, now put the value and solve. Now 1 upon 2 c into h plus will be solved. First will be open the bracket. Now a minus c minus d into h plus 1 upon 2 d into h is 1 upon 2 c into h plus, now multiply h is ah. Okay, c into h is, you direct write the ch, and a into h ah minus h into c is ch, and h into d is dh plus 1 upon 2 dh. Okay, like terms will 1 and unlike terms, only unlike terms is a ah. Okay, so you write 1 upon 2 ch minus ch. Okay, second terms is plus 1 upon 2 dh minus dh, and last term will be ah. Okay, now LCM is whole LCM is 2. Okay, so there is a 2 divided by 2 is 1. Yes, suppose this is the, now 2 and 2 divided to 1 is a ch minus, here will be 1 and 1, the there is 2ch plus dh minus 2dh plus ah. Okay, 2 divided 2 is 1, that ch, 1 divided by 2 and 2 into ch, 2 is ch plus 2 divided by 2 is 1 into dh is dh minus 1 divided by 2 is 2 into dh 2dh plus same to last is again 2ah. Okay, now is it cancel by 2dh is only ch plus here we dh and plus 2h upon 2, here will be minus. Okay, now h will be common. H means 1 upon 2 is common, that c minus d plus a plus 2a into h, all terms will be h common. Okay, they will write, here will be write the terms of 1 upon 2, 2a is front minus c and my plus c and minus d. Okay, here minus, that is a minus, and minus c is h. Okay, and next terms will write, they are very important in a examination patterns, and 1 upon 2 is 2a minus c minus d into h, that is 1 upon 2 is a plus a minus d is h. Now 1 upon 2 a whole part of this is right, so plus b into h. So this is the formula of 1 upon 2 a plus b into h. There is a minus bracket c plus d, open the bracket is a minus c minus d is the value of total a is the value of this equal to b. 11.2 is the first question. The shape of the top surface of the table is which type of trapezium, and find its area of the parallel side is 1 meter and 1.2 meter, a perpendicular distance between the 0.8 meter. Okay, Now suppose a top of the table, the shape is a trapezium. This is the shape of the trapezium, and two parallel side is trapezium is A, B, C and D. The shape of the trapezium this type of okay. I will find the area of the trapezium. This is the top of the table. The top of the table is ABC, and parallel side is a big side is a given 1 meter distance, and second is a big side is a 1.2 and a small side is 1 meter, and the distance between two parallel sides. Now parallel side is AB and BCD is a parallel line, and distance between the parallel side is given 0.8 meter. Okay, now find the area of the top of the table. Okay, then write now area of top surface of table, okay, is equal to area of trapezium. Area of trapezium okay, because upper top of the table is the shape of the trapezium, and trapezium area of the trapezium is 1/2 is sum of is a parallel side into distance between two parallel side. Okay, distance between two parallel side. So here will be put the value is 1/2. There is the sum of the two sides. Sum of the two parallel side. First parallel side is AB plus CD is a two parallel side 1 and 2, and into distance between this is the DE. Distance is called the height. Okay. Now put the value is 1/2 is 1.2 plus 1 and into 0.8. Okay. After the addition 1/2 is 2.2. 1.2 and 1 is 2.2 into 0.8, and after calculation 1.1, it's mean you have multiplied 1.1 into 0.8 is 1.1 into 0.8 is 88, and 2 point before the point is 0.88 meter square. Number second, the area of the trapezium is 34 centimeter square, and the length of the one of the parallel side is 10 centimeter, and its height is a 4 centimeter. Now find the length of other parallel side. Okay, it's the difference of first and second question. First question you find the area of the trapezium, and second question you find the length of the one parallel side. To draw a rough diagram, okay, is given that the area is a 34 centimeter square, and length of the one side is 10 centimeter. Suppose it will be 10 centimeter, and this is the length is x, and height between means height is the distance between two parallel side is given 4 centimeter square. Okay, so now let the length of other side, other parallel side is x. Okay, and area of trapezium is 1/2 is sum of parallel side into height. Okay, height is a between the distance between two parallel side. Now put the value. Area of trapezium is given with 24 centimeter square. So you write only 24. 34. 1/2 is 10. Other side is x, and height is 4. You write multiply 4. Now solve. 2 2 is 4. 34 is equal to 10 plus x and multiply 2. Okay, now transfer to value of 2. So that 34/2 is equal to 10 plus x. After cancellation is 17. It means 17 is equal to 10 plus x. Now transfer to 10. 17 minus 10 is equal to x. That 7 is equal to x. What is the value of x? Is 7. It's mean the length of other parallel side is 7 centimeter. Question number 3. A length of the flange of the trapezium shape is field of ABC. ABCD is a fence length of the fencing, means it is given in ABC is equal to AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. The sum of all side is given 120 meter. Okay, fence all around. Okay, now if BC is a 48, you write here is a 48 meter the length of B to C. Next is CD is a C to D is 17 meter, and AD is a 40 meter, and find the area of the its field. And AB is a perpendicular to both side. Okay, now area of trapezium is 1/2 is sum of two parallel line into height. Height is between the distance between two parallel side. Okay, but 1/2 is no problem. Trapezium sum of the parallel line is given, but height is not given. So first you find the height. Okay, first you find the height, but height the now is length of fence of trapezium is called the parameter of shapes. Parameter of the shapes means is AB plus BC plus CD plus DA is sum of all side is 120. Now put the value is 120 is equal to AB is a 40, BC is 48, AB is not given because AB is a height, BC is a 48, C to D is 17 and D to A is a 40. Okay, so that is the 48, 17 and 40. Will we add three numbers? 8, 7 for 7 and 14, 115, 1 and 4 for 8 and 10, 105. It's mean write 120 is equal to AB plus 105. Okay, now 120, 105 will be transferred to right hand side to left hand side, and 120 minus 15 is equal to 105 is a 15 is equal to length of AB. It's mean length of AB is a distance between two parallel line is equal to 15 meter. Okay, the length will be find is a 15 meter. Okay, now I'm direct you find area of the trapezium. Now write area of trapezium is 1 upon 2 sum of two parallel side into height. Okay, it's mean 1 upon 2, parallel side is 1 and second parallel line is means 48 plus 40 and height is given already find to 15. Okay, now first will be add 48 and 50. Now 1 upon 2 add is 88 into 15. 48 and 50 is 88. Now cancel 2 1 is 2, 2 4 is 4, 2 4 is. So now write that the 44 into 15. 44 into 15. 15 4 is 60. 6 carry. 15 4 is 60. 60 and 6 is 66. So that the answer is the area is 660 meter square. That is the area of trapezium. The diagonal of the quadrilaterals shapes and field is a 24 meter. Okay, and the perpendicular drops of it from the remaining opposite vertex are the 8 meter and 13 meter. Find the area of the field. Okay, it's given that ABCD is a field and the field is a shape of quadrilateral and AC is a diagonals of ABC. Okay, the length is 24 centimeter and two perpendicular to drop other two vertex B and D, the perpendicular of this and perpendicular to here. Now it is the length is 8 and 13 centimeter. Okay, so it is given what is the given? ABCD is a quadrilateral field. Okay, and given that AC is a diagonal. Okay, and length of AC is equal to 24 meter, and the perpendicular to means D suppose will be M and N, that is a DM is perpendicular to AC, and BN is perpendicular to AC. There are two conditions will given, and length of BN is equal to 8 meter and length of DM is equal to 13 meter. Okay, and find the area of total field. Okay, now the area of quadrilaters ABCD is equal to area of triangle ABC plus ABC, first C triangle and second up triangle. The sum of two triangles is equal to area of total quadrilateral. That area of triangle is ACD. Okay, you now understand area of triangle is 1 upon 2 base into height. Okay, so here is the first triangle is 1 upon 2 base. The triangle is a base of AC into height is a given that BN plus again 1 upon 2 base is upper side is AC into height is DM. Okay, now put the value is 1 upon 2 into AC is a value of 24 into BN is a 8 and 1 upon 2 into 24 AC value and DM is a 13. Okay, now is cancelled to 12 is 12. Now we write 12 into 8 plus 12 into 13. 12 into 8 is a 12 into 8 is 96 and 12 into 13 will be multiplied. 2 3 is 6 and 3 and 12 is 651 means 156 and 156 plus 96 255. Okay, it means 252 meter square is the area of total quadrilateral ABCD. Question number 5. The diagonals of the rhombus are 7.5 centimeter and 12 centimeter. Find its area. The first will make a rough diagram of the rhombus. Is a rhombus of all sides are equal, similar to square, but difference between square is each angle of 90 but rhombus is each angle is not 90. That suppose means A, B, C and D is a rhombus and diagonals AC and BC. Okay, AC and BC is a diagonals. So this is the first diagonals we will call D1 and second diagonal is called to D2. Okay, now that the area of rhombus ABCD is equal to 1 upon 2 is simple formula is 1 upon 2 multiply its diagonals. Okay, now put the value is 1 upon 2 is 7.5 into 12. Okay, that is 2 6. Now multiply 7.5 into 6, that is 6 5 the 30 and 3 carry 6 7 the 42 and 3 45. That means 45 centimeter square. Okay, now here is a D2 value is 7.5 centimeter and D1 is value is 12 centimeter. Suppose you have not shown the in diagrams, that we will write given is length of diagonals. Question number 6. Find the area of the rhombus whose side is 6 centimeter and whose altitude is 4 centimeter and its one of the diagonals is 8 centimeter long. Find the length of the other diagonals. Okay, now first will be rough diagrams of rhombus. Rhombus is all sides are equal. It's mean the side of AB, BC and CD and DA is the length of the side is given 6 centimeter. It's mean they are 6 centimeter, this 6 centimeter and this 6 centimeter. And altitude means the distance of both side between the four side is 4 centimeter. Okay, it is the altitude. And ask the one diagonals of the is 8 centimeter. Okay, so you have drawn the diagonals is a D1 is D2. Here D1 is given is 8 centimeter and D2 is find X. Okay, now it is right that area of rhombus is 1 upon 2 is D1 into D2 is a one area, one formula. And second, suppose is diagonals are not given, you have compare height and weight. It is the base into height. It is the two formulas of find the area of rhombus. Okay, but here the area, here will be area. Compare base is given and height is given. Okay, so first you find the area of given second formula and next area will compare the first. It means you first find the area of rhombus ABCD is base into height. Here the base is 6 and height is 4. It means 24 centimeter square is the area of rhombus is the equation 1. Okay, and again write that area of rhombus ABCD is equal to 1 upon 2 is second diagonals into D2. Okay, first will we find the area with the help of base and height and compare. Second time you compare if the area is its diagonals. Okay, now here we will put the value. Area of the triangle is 24, already find. 1 upon 2 is first diagonals is given 8 and D2 is a find. Now with 24 is equal to 4 into D square and 24 upon 4 after transfer is the value of right hand side to right hand side is the 6 is equal to D2. It's mean the second, it is mean the length of the other diagonal is 6 centimeter.